I'm Kara Markovich.
And I'm Greg Edwards.
And we just want to welcome you to the Origami House.
I'm delighted to share the story of Kara and Greg and the Origami House, the fact that they work with the Michigan SBDC, and now they're ready to open. Kara?
Thank you, Wendy. It was so wonderful to work with you, and we're so grateful for SBDC for giving us this opportunity. It was a long journey and totally worth it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.